So before we proceed, a little bit about me. I'm currently in the final year of BTech at Jadavpur University. I have a GATE rank of 150 in 2020. I'm currently placed at a top pharmaceutical company. I have 4 months of research experience at IIT Kharagpur, and I also have a research paper which is under review. Hey guys, I'm back with another video today, and today we'll be talking about how to study process calculation for GATE chemical engineering. Okay, so this is like a neglected topic by most students because they say that the weightage is not much, but that is actually not true, because it might look like the weightage is not much, but you will need the concepts of this chapter in mass transfer, CRE, even heat transfer, even process dynamics and control, basically the entire chemical engineering. So don't take this one lightly, and it is always going to be good if you can score like whatever questions that come from this chapter, 4-5 marks, whatever you get from this chapter. Okay, so let's understand how to go about this topic. So this is the syllabus that I have taken from the website, GATE website, and this portion is of the process calculations part. I have already made the thermodynamics video. You can watch it. I'll link it in the description. Okay. So before studying, I always say that keep the syllabus in front of you. Don't try to study more or less than what is required. Let's talk about the resources. So basically, here also we will be following an NPTEL lecture, that is the Material and Energy Balances by Professor Vignesh Muthuvijayan. So let us actually go to that lecture and see what it is all about. So this is the lecture that I am talking about. Okay, so this is the Material and Energy Balances lecture by IIT Madras, and you can see that it starts from the very fundamentals. Now this is under biotechnology section of NPTEL. It doesn't matter, it is very helpful for chemical engineering as well. Okay, so it covers basically the entire syllabus that is provided for GATE. It actually covers more than that, so we need to filter it out. Okay, so we don't have to study the things like biochemical reaction and there is something like flux balance analysis and all that. We don't have to study. Just look at the syllabus and proceed. Okay, don't try to study more. Now, one thing I would like to highlight is that at the end you can see that there is unsteady material and energy balances, and this is actually very important because in the current trend they are giving more questions from the unsteady balances part, and students have been struggling with those type of balances. You can see that this is the GATE question, this is the GATE paper. This was the GATE 2020 question that was directly asked. This is the unsteady state question. Okay, and if you don't know the concept, you will struggle with these kind of problems. So it is advisable that you study that topic also. Okay, now the next thing, as I always suggest, after you watch the video of each week, try to solve the assignment. So open the assignment, and this is one of the assignments. Try to solve. There are some basic questions, and after that there are some advanced questions as well. So try to solve those problems. Okay, try and the questions, some of the questions are pretty good. So after you are done with the lecture and the assignment, so let us get back to our presentation. So next, if you are still not clear and you think that you need to look at some more examples, some more worked examples, you always have this book by D.M. Himmelblau, and basic principles and calculations in chemical engineering. So this is a fantastic book, and this is very to the point. They are not beating around the bush, they're talking to the point in this book. Okay, and after doing all this, you obviously have to solve the previous year's questions from any source. I generally used unitoperation.com, and there is you will find all the previous year's questions in unitoperation.com, and some of them you might not find here. So you will find those questions in Subbu and Dr. Ram Prasad. There are some extra questions also in Subbu and Ramprasad, so you can take a look at those questions. That is a nice practice for you. I focused mostly on the examples of Dr. Ramprasad because the exercise portion I did not find it to be very challenging. So that was about it. However, I would like to give you a bonus tip here, that this topic is something that it will take some time. It might look small, but it takes some effort and time. Because it might look intimidating. Some of the problems can be quite difficult. In the past, if you try to solve around like from 1990 to before 2010, the questions were quite lengthy. Recently, they are not asking very lengthy questions, but they can always ask anything they want. They asked a fin question in 2020. No one was expecting that question, right? So it is always advisable that you try to solve every question that has come in GATE, because you never know what they give you. So it will take time. Have patience with this topic. It will take time, and that's all for now. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe. Comment below what you want me to make, and I will see you soon with another video.